Ever wish you could fire up your brain before you even roll out of bed? What if your morning mug or blender held the key? Today we're counting down the top 7 brain-boosting morning drinks that pack a punch of nutrients, healthy fats, and scientific superpowers to launch your focus, memory, and mood into overdrive. Stick around, because by the time we hit number 1, you'll have the secret weapon to supercharge every morning. Let's dive in. Why morning drinks matter. Your first drink of the day can set the pace for everything that follows. The right blend of nutrients and botanicals can boost blood flow to deliver oxygen and fuel to your brain, tame stress hormones for calm focus, support neurotransmitter production to sharpen mood and memory, provide steady energy without the mid-morning slump. Start smart, and you'll notice the difference in every task, meeting, or creative burst that follows. Now that you know exactly what makes a morning drink so powerful, it's time to put that into practice. Let's dive straight into our top 7 brain-boosting morning drinks. Start at number 7, Beetroot Bullet Smoothie. Blend cooked beetroot, frozen berries, 1 ripe banana, collagen powder, and a pinch of black pepper. Beets are high in natural nitrates, which expand blood vessels and enhance cerebral blood flow, helping your brain get more oxygen. Berries fight inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 enemies of mental clarity. Collagen, often overlooked, plays a key role in gut-brain communication. A healthier gut leads to better mood and concentration. At number 6, Golden Turmeric Latte. This warm, golden drink is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory support. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound shown to protect neurons and improve memory, especially in aging adults. Fresh ginger boosts circulation and digestion, while raw honey adds prebiotic benefits for your gut. Add a pinch of black pepper. It increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Top it off with almond or oat milk, and you've got a cozy, brain-friendly latte you'll crave daily. Coming in at 5, Matcha Mind Fuel. Unlike regular green tea, matcha is made from whole ground leaves, giving you more antioxidants and nutrients. Its combination of caffeine and L-theanine gives you alert focus without jitters. L-theanine increases alpha brain waves, which are associated with relaxed concentration, a perfect state for creative work or learning. Add a splash of oat milk and a drop of vanilla for taste and creaminess. This is the morning fuel of monks, and now, it's yours, too. Number 4, Adaptogen Elixir. Adaptogens are herbs that help your body adapt to stress and restore balance. Steep ashwagandha, holy basil, and rose hips in hot water. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon. Ashwagandha lowers cortisol, which means less anxiety and better mental clarity. Holy basil supports adrenal health and mood regulation. Rose hips are rich in vitamin C, a nutrient critical for brain signaling and immunity. This calming herbal tonic is perfect if you start your mornings feeling overwhelmed. Number 3, Green Tea Ginkgo Shot. This combination is ancient, yet scientifically backed. Green tea is full of EGCG, an antioxidant that protects neurons from damage and helps prevent memory decline. Ginkgo biloba enhances blood circulation to the brain, improving alertness and recall. Add a squeeze of lime, it boosts flavor and helps your body absorb the nutrients better. If you need a brain refresh in under 5 minutes, this is your go-to. At number 2, Berry Adaptogen Smoothie. This energizing smoothie blends antioxidant-rich berries, coconut water, maca root powder, and baby spinach. Berries fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Maca root, a Peruvian superfood, supports hormone balance and sustained energy. Spinach offers folate and magnesium, nutrients vital for neurotransmitter production. Coconut water keeps you hydrated and balances electrolytes. Together, these ingredients create a delicious morning reset for your brain and body. And the top spot goes to Cold Brew MCT Coffee. Start with high-quality cold brew, add 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, and your favorite milk. MCTs are medium-chain fats that convert into ketones, your brain's clean-burning fuel. This gives you sharper focus, better mental stamina, and no afternoon crash. Caffeine improves reaction time and attention span, while MCT oil sustains that energy longer than sugar or carbs ever could. This is the perfect drink for deep work, early meetings, or morning workouts. If you wake up groggy, go with beetroot or matcha. If your mornings are stressful, adaptogens or golden turmeric will help. Need focus for work? Cold brew MCT or green tea with Ginkgo is your ally. It's not about drinking all 7, it's about finding what works best for you consistently. Here's your recap. 7. Beetroot bullet smoothie. 6. Golden turmeric latte. 5. Matcha mind fuel. 4. Adaptogen elixir. 3. Green tea ginkgo shot. 2. Berry adaptogen smoothie. 1. Cold brew MCT coffee. Which one will you try tomorrow? Let us know in the comments. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for weekly health and brain power tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to sharper mornings, one sip at a time.